Every fintech company today depends on technology, digital payments, online lending, wallets, trading apps, and that makes cybersecurity one of the most critical areas. Students often ask, is cybersecurity a good career in fintech? The answer is a clear and big yes. And today I'll explain why and how you can build a career in this field. So, first, understand the context. Every day, hackers target the financial data, transactions, customer accounts, loans, and the sensitive personal information. If fintech companies fail to protect this data, the consequence can be catastrophic. So that's why cybersecurity professionals are in high demand and the demand is growing faster than ever. Now, let's look at the types of the careers in the cybersecurity for fintech. First is the cybersecurity analyst, monitors the networks for the threats and prevents the fraud. Second is cybersecurity engineer, designs the secure system for the apps, wallets, and the payment platforms. Number three is the ethical hacker. They test the systems for the vulnerabilities before hackers can exploit them. Number four is the fraud detection specialist, uses the data and AI to identify the suspicious transactions. Number five is RegTech and compliance security analyst, ensures the security aligns with the RBI and the global regulations. And number six is the blockchain security expert, protects the digital assets and the smart contracts from the cyber risk. These roles require both the technical and financial understanding. You need to know how the system work, how transactions happen, and where vulnerabilities may arise. You also need skills in the network security, encryption, risk assessment, AI for fraud detection, and the regulatory compliance. And this is where Dr. Shorav's classes make a difference. We train the students not only in cybersecurity tools but also in the financial context and regulation. You will learn how digital payments and wallets are secured, how banks and fintech apps prevent the fraud, how to implement AI and the data-driven security system, and how to follow the ethical practices and the compliance regulations. Our focus is making you job ready and fintech cybersecurity, not just the theoretically skilled. So, cybersecurity in fintech is more than a job, it's a responsibility. You protect the user's money, sensitive data, and trust in the financial system. With the right skills, you can work with lending, fintech firms, banks, blockchain startups, and the payment companies. So, if you want a future ready, high demand, and socially responsible career, cybersecurity in fintech is the path to choose. So, join us today.